Hello, little artist. Welcome back to our YouTube channel where we color and have fun every single day. Today, we're coloring everyone's favorite, Superman. Are you ready? Let's do this together. First, grab your favorite colors. Let's start with the sketching. You can choose any color you love. There are no rules in art. Want to add some extra things around it? Go for it. Use your imagination. This is your masterpiece. Make it awesome. Remember, there's no right or wrong in art. Just have fun and be creative. You're doing a great job. Keep practicing, keep dreaming, and never be afraid to make mistakes. Because every mistake is a step to something beautiful. Keep practicing, keep dreaming, and never be afraid to make mistakes, because every mistake is a step to something beautiful. You have a spark inside you that can light up the world. Look at your Superman amazing work. I'm so proud of you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ANHAD Kids Art for more fun, colorful videos just like this one. And hit that bell icon so you never miss out. I'll see you next time, awesome kids. Keep coloring, keep smiling. Bye!